Hello everybody, in this video I am going to show you the changes or the additions to the system to cater for social distancing. So the first one is in the system configurations. We click edit and there's the option machine require cleaning. So what this means is whenever there's a cache out or a player card cache out, the panel will go into a state indicating that the machine needs cleaning. Then the next part is under the floor staff configuration. We have added a new option, allow group to enable or disable machines. So what we suggest is create a card that only has that option for allow group to enable disable machines, and I'll show you in the next videos why. And lastly, in Machine Manager, we have a new state for the machine. So in Machine Manager, the new option that we have is the default state of the machine. So if the option for default disabled, the default state for the machine will be disabled, so a player cannot insert their card to play. Now what this means is, when you cache out, the machine goes into a state of cleaning. Once that state is exited or is closed, the machine will go back to its default state of disabled. And if we switch this off, the machine will go into a default state of enabled. Now the reason why we have given the options here is that you as the operator can choose which machines to disable, and then you can go and enable them manually with the maintenance card, or you can choose to disable all the machines or just leave some of them in an enabled state, or everyone is disabled. Now I'll show you in the next couple of videos the behavior at the slot machine on the panel for the different configurations. Thank you. Okay, so a suggestion that we've got is to have a maintenance card that you dedicate to cleaning and only have the parameter to enable that card to enable or disable machines. That way, when the card is inserted and you enter the PIN code, it will automatically go to disable machine, yes or no. So yes. And the message is machine disabled by system, and to enable again, the same card, enable machine, yes. In this video, we're going to show you the behavior of the machine when the system setting for enable cleaning or require cleaning is enabled. So we put our player card in, we transfer money to the machine, play one game, and we cash out. So in this instance, the machine is also set as a default state of enabled, but because of the cleaning requirement, the panel will flash with court attendant needs cleaning, and every 30 seconds you will hear a beep, a few beeps in a row. So we'll just wait for that. Okay, so there was the beep, so now 30 seconds later it will beep again. So now the cleaning staff can sanitize the machine, and once done, insert the card for ending the cleaning session. So PIN number and enable the machine, yes. In this video, I'm going to show you what the behavior is when the system setting for cleaning is disabled and the machine's default state is enabled. So to simulate how the system worked before we implemented the social distancing. Then the player card is inserted. Okay, sometimes that happens. Insert the player card, money is transferred to the machine. We have a welcome message. We play a game. Then we cash out. Transfer from machine. Machine disabled by system. We saw a brief message showing that the session was ending, so let's just double check that again. We transfer the money to the machine. We play a game and we hope that we don't win. We cash out. Ending session, please wait. We're going to have a look at what the maintenance card does with the permission to disable or enable a machine when our settings and system is no cleaning required and the machine's default state is enabled. So maintenance card goes in. I'm going to disable the machine, and the machine is now in a disabled state, so we could use this functionality to reserve a machine for a customer. Now to enable the machine again, put the maintenance card in and enable the machine. Hello everyone, the last part of the social distancing that I want to show you is a new report that we've created, and then the event browser, new events that is of note that can be used by the site to monitor the machine states. So under reports, under machines, we'll have machine status, and this is what the report looks like. It will show us the machines that's in a cleaning state and the machines that is currently enabled. And if there was disabled machines, it will show it as another group with the machine numbers that is disabled. Lastly, I want to show you the event browser. So a new event that was created is called the machine state changed. And in the additional information, we will see the machine is now enabled. Staff cleaning is the card that we used. And then cleaning complete, machine enabled, staff cleaning. So that is the cleaning card that we've created as the maintenance card. And it will show us that after cleaning was completed, the machine's default state was enabled. And here it will show if we disabled the machine manually, machine disabled, and then the maintenance card that was used. And then here's an example of the cleaning is complete, but the machine is disabled because the default state of the machine was set to disable. Thank you.